Let's talk about what you are going to do to try to get that same kind of reach and that same kind of integration that users have with Google in your everyday life, which, as I understand it, the browser is a big part of that strategy. So can you tell us that why do you think browsers are the next frontier for successful AI companies?
Yeah, often what's said, like why did Sundar become the CEO of Google is because he focused on the Chrome project, right? He was the one running the Chrome project, and that ended up being one of the biggest weapons for them in this battle against Microsoft. And it took them many years, like probably 10 years, to actually become the leading browser. The browser is the front end to your internet, like experiencing the internet. The Omnibox, the search box, is where almost all the Google queries are going. That's why if you go to Google Trends and see the top most queries by volume, it's always weather or like Amazon or Reddit or Instagram, Twitter, like these one-word queries. So most people are just using it, Google as a navigation tool. But if you can blend navigation, information, and activity like transactions and like doing actual browsing sessions all in like one clean interface, using the browsing infrastructure, you can actually like go for it all in like one single tool. So that's and if you really want to transition AI from answers to actions, to doing stuff for you, answers are essentially like 4 or 5 searches in one. Actions are like an entire browsing session in like one prompt. You really need to actually have a browser and hybridize the compute on the client and the server side in the seamless way possible. And that's that calls for rethinking the whole browser. We're not actually like thinking about Comet as yet another browser. It'll be a cognitive operating system. It'll be there for you every time, anytime, for work or life, as an assistant on the side, or like just going and doing browsing sessions for you. And I think that'll fundamentally make us rethink like how we even think about the internet. Like earlier we would browse the internet, but now people are increasingly living on the internet. Like a lot of our life actually exists there. And if you wanted to build a proactive, personalized AI, it needs to live together with you. And that's why we need to rethink the browser entirely.